Okay, hello everybody, Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream live every day. What I do, I stream my screen so you can watch me and see what I'm doing. You can interact with me. Discord is a very nice place. I mean, it's a platform with many capabilities. You can stream live through your camera, or you can stream your screen live. You can chat, voice chat, or text chat. You can do all sorts of interesting things. It's probably the best communicator so far. So please feel invited to join. If you don't know how to use Discord, I'll help you. It's very easy. Anyways, what I do is I'm doing this style of trading called day trading, and I trade the DAX 30 index. Now, so what I'm looking for is 1, 2, maybe trades, whatever the market gives. Per day, of course, and I also owe you the daily recap from yesterday, because for some reasons I wasn't able to record the English daily recap video yesterday. Well, there were other things, and all of a sudden it got too late, and I wasn't able to do that. So I'll be doing 2 episodes or 2 days within this daily recap. So you can see clearly that the DAX 30 index made a pretty significant plunge yesterday. All of a sudden, the daily range was 665 pips during one day. So those types of days are very inconvenient, because if for any reason the trader was not able to predict this type of movement beforehand, right? Then you can clearly see that when I got up, so when I after this line, after this time right here, the yellow line, where this is the opening of the London session, and I'm usually at my computer, at my screen, analyzing charts somewhere, well, at least an hour or 2 hours later than that, right? So basically, when I came to the market yesterday, the range was already exceeding 300 pips. So looking at what had been happening previously to that, well, I wasn't really sure what the market would be doing. So first of all, I tried a long position right here, because the price action was kind of the way that the market could have been bouncing off some kind of support, and perhaps I was counting on a bigger correction upwards, right, or a pullback or a retrace. Yeah. However, the price didn't want to go up, and immediately started going down, so I closed that position at minus 36 pips, right? And I opened a counter position of 10 lots, and I recovered that profit. I recovered that loss, making some profit, because you can see that 10 times 68 is the same, or this is 6.8, so it's the same as 68 pips, and this is 36 pips, so I made a profit right there. Well, later on, I was watching the market, and I thought to myself, well, it certainly doesn't look like the market is going to go up, so I repeated a short trade. However, I made this trade on the M1 chart, so 1 minute chart, and I was looking at this for a while, and it didn't look very promising, especially that in the beginning the price moved in the counter direction and then came back down. So I decided to get out of it as soon as there was some profit, so 4 pips profit. Okay, And we can see that again the market showed some probability of going up. So I waited. I saw this sudden movement down, which also very often means that the market is doing this. Is sort of like what it's called. Some people call it false breakout, or otherwise it's shakeout. Otherwise it's called the shakeout, right? So I again thought to myself, okay, maybe this time this is going to be one of those situations where the market suddenly plunges down and then goes back up. So I went in long, but again the market didn't want to go down, didn't want to go up. It started going down. So again I got out of the long and got in at 10 lots, right? Because you see, I lost 45 pips, 45.5 at one lot. And why did I close so quickly? Because we can see that the market even reached my short take profit. Well, I was looking at it on the M1 chart, and those specific 1 minute candles, they behaved very, very strange. I mean, they were just jumping up and down, and pretty in a pretty dynamic square-like fashion. I mean, not in a more like a digital fashion rather than what was it called? Like the sine wave. Whatever came before digital, right? I forget the word now. Anyway, so yeah, that's why I closed so quickly, because the behavior was, but as it often happens, just after I closed this trade, just the price started going down, and so we can see that I didn't recover the whole loss fully right here. I didn't have any other option right there to do but to wait out, because again we never know when it's going to end. So I waited for this price action, and the moment it started going down right there, I got in at another short. Well, however, this time I closed it pretty quickly, because all I was aiming for was to recover this loss fully and perhaps make a little bit of a profit, which actually did happen. So yeah. So that was it, right? That was it. I didn't trade anymore. That's what happened yesterday. Now today, the market again started doing the more usual behavior as far as recently is concerned. Only 140 pips again. So more like a consolidation, and we can clearly see that in the context of yesterday's move, this pretty much looks like sideways. But if we zoom it in, all of a sudden we have a different picture, right? Because we don't have that previous context. And what happened right here? Well, that was pretty simple. The price was showing some bullish signals right here, so I decided to get in because the price was good, and I got out at very nice 32.6 pips profit, right? Sure, I was maybe thinking of but maybe the price would go up or what. I mean, like the retrace that I was counting on yesterday. But I thought to myself, well, I'm not gonna put a take profit. I'm just gonna decide how much I'm gonna take. And of course, I already moved my stop loss right here. I trailed it to profit. So yeah. And then again, I saw that the price was trying to go down, so I thought to myself, okay, this is an opportunity for some kind of a correction, and I jumped in and I got out at about almost the closing time of this M15, and again I made some 11.66 pips, and that's it. Then I saw that the market wasn't really going down, but again trying to go up, and then all of a sudden going down, and again. So again, this became a kind of uncertain market at this level. Could I have made another trade? Well, perhaps there was a trade right here, right? Yeah, perhaps there was a trade right here to make, but I decided that I wouldn't trade anymore today. This is enough. And I engaged myself in philosophical discussions. Okay, so if you're interested in philosophy, then I would sincerely invite you to street epistemology. Well, there is a street epistemology. Street epistemology. Well, you can find a Discord channel for that. So, if you're interested, you can find Anthony Magnabosco. Anthony Magnabosco on YouTube channel. He's right now the director of the non-profit organization for street epistemology. And you will definitely, following the lead, you will definitely find the Discord server. Anyways, yeah, thanks a lot for today. Please like, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell. Join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server for trading and and everything about trading. And also you can become my patron if you wish, or support me directly through my PayPal and become a VIP member on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server and get lots and lots of interesting benefits thanks to this. Okay, thank you very much. Please keep safe, please keep healthy, and see you next time. Bye.